If you're tired of empty health fads, here's one herbal remedy that's been backed by science for centuries. I'm talking about hibiscus tea. This is a bold crimson colored drink with serious health benefits. And no, this isn't hype. This is backed by clinical research and trusted by people worldwide. What is hibiscus tea? Hibiscus tea is made from the dried petals of the Hibiscus subterifa flower. It's caffeine-free, tangy, and naturally rich in antioxidants. You can drink it hot or cold, but every cup may bring powerful effects inside your body. Let's break it down. Here's what science says hibiscus tea might help you with. First, it supports heart health. Research shows hibiscus drinkers had lower LDL or bad cholesterol and better HDL or good levels. Animal and human studies back this up. Anthocyanins protect blood vessels and support cardiovascular health. Second, it regulates blood pressure. Here's the powerhouse benefit of this hibiscus tea: the blood pressure control. In a clinical trial, pre-hypertensive adults drank 3 cups daily for 6 weeks, and they saw systolic pressure drop by about 7 millimeters of mercury, compared to just 1 millimeter of mercury in placebo group. That's statistically significant and meaningful. And meta-analysis confirm systolic drops of 7 to 10 millimeter of mercury. And some experts even say hibiscus rivals mild ACE inhibitors like captopril. Third, it may help control blood sugar. It may support healthy insulin sensitivity and blood sugar levels after meals. Next is boosts liver health. Some studies show hibiscus extract may reduce liver fat. It supports detox and fat metabolism. There is a 12-week trial with hibiscus subterifa extract showed reduced body weight, body fat, waist to hip ratio, and improved liver fat levels. Plus, it's been shown to increase fat oxidation and raise energy expenditure, especially in men. Next is for natural weight support. In a 12-week study, people who consume hibiscus extract had reduced body fat, BMI, and waist to hip ratio. And the last one is it fights oxidative stress. Hibiscus is packed with anthocyanins and vitamin C. It fights oxidative stress and inflammation. Lab tests show anti-inflammatory effects similar to low-dose aspirin and antimicrobial benefits, and it helps slow signs of aging from the inside out. This is for you if you want natural support for blood pressure, you're cutting sugar and seeking healthy hydration, or you care about heart, liver, or metabolic health. Drinking 2 to 3 cups daily, hot or iced, is enough to benefit. Disclaimer: of course, no herbal tea is a magic cure. If you're on medication, especially for blood pressure, talk to your doctor first. This is a supportive beverage, not a substitute for real medical advice. Want to try hibiscus tea? I've linked my trusted source in the comment section and description below. This is 100% natural, affordable, and easy to enjoy every day. Start small. See how your body feels. This tea changed my routine, and it might change yours too. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and comment below. Have you tried hibiscus tea? What was your experience?